Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program for +1. You are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits, where each digits of I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. For example, here they have given the array as 1, 2 and 3, which is 123 has been splitted into 1, 2 and 3 on each and every index value. With this, we have to add 1 to the last value of an array. So if I add a value 1 to the last value of an array, it becomes 4. That is 1, 2 and 4. They have given one more example, that 4, 3, 2, 1. So each index value of an array consists of a digit. On the last index value, we have to add 1 to it. So when I add 1 to it, the output array will be 4, 3, 2, 2. So where there is no change in the size of an array in the first two cases. Let's go to the third example. The third example, we have a value called 9 with one index value. When I add value 1 to it, it becomes a 2-digit number, that is 10. So 0 should be on one index and 1 should be on another index, which means the size of an array is incremented by 1. The input array size is 1 and the output array size is 2. So the output array should be 1, 0. Now let's discuss the logic in detail. Okay, so here they have given array of size 3. So first I have to start iterating the elements. So here I should start the iteration from the last element onwards. So for that I have to find the length of the array. After that I have to subtract value 1 to it, because the index value of an array starts from 0. That is why we are subtracting 1. So here size of the array is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So check the condition. I greater than or equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I have to go inside the for loop. What I am going to do is I am going to take the value from the last element of an array. For that I am going to check one condition. If digits of I is less than 9. So I have to check a condition. So the condition which we are checking here is I value is 2. On digits of 2 I have the value called 3. 3 less than 9. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I have to add value 1 to this particular index value and I should store the value back to the same index itself. That is digits of I plus equal to 1. So I have to add value 1 to this particular index value and I have to store the value back to the same index itself. After that, I have to return the complete array. Return digits. Okay. So I'll add value 1 to this. Now the array becomes 4, 2, 1. I will be returning this complete array. Let's take one more example. So here I have taken the value called 9, 9 and 9. So in this case, the size of the array is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 greater than or equal to 0. Condition is true. I will go inside the for loop. I will be checking the condition. Digit of I. So the value is 9. 9 less than 9. Condition becomes false. If the condition becomes false, I will not go inside the if condition. I will not go inside the if condition. On that particular index value, I will just initialize the value 0. The reason why we are initializing the value 0 is 9 plus 1. What is the value I will be getting? 0. Which is 10, but the last value is 0. So I will be passing the value 1 to here. Now 9 plus 1, again I will be getting 0. So with the next iteration, we will figure it out. So now I value will be decremented by 1, which becomes 1. 1 greater than or equal to 0, condition is true. I will go inside the for loop. I will be checking the value which is present on the index value 1. The value which is present on the index value 1 is 9. So 9 less than 9, condition becomes false. I will come out of the if condition. I will just initialize the value 0 here, which means 9 plus 1 is 10. The last value is 0. So I will be passing the value 1 back here. Now go for the next iteration. Now I value becomes 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0, condition is true. Check the if condition. Digits of 0 less than 9. Digit of 0 is 9. 9 less than 9, condition becomes false. I will just initialize the value 0 here. Now go for the next iteration. Now I value becomes minus 1. Minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, condition becomes false. I will come out of the for loop. Okay. So after coming out of the for loop, what I have to do is, here the size of an array is incremented by 1. Okay. So I have to resize the array. For that, digits equal to new int of digits dot length plus 1, because the size of the array will be incremented just by 1. That is why I am resizing the array here. After resizing the array, on the index value 0, I am initializing the value as 1, because 9 plus 1, I have the digit 0 here. Now I have to add 1 to this particular index. Now when I resize the array, this will be on the index value 0, 1, 2 and 3. That is why on the index value 0, I am adding 1 to this. After this, I have to return the array, return digits. That's all. This is the logic of the program. Now let's try to implement it as a program. So first I have to start the iteration from the last index value onwards. Int I equal to digits dot length minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So here I have to check one condition. If digits of I is less than 9, if this condition is true, just add value 1 to this particular index and then I have to return the array. In case if the condition is not true, I have to initialize the value 0 to this particular index. Once the iteration got over, we have to resize the array. So digits equal to new int of digits dot length plus 1. After this, I have to initialize the value 1 to the index value 0 and then I'll return the digits. That's all. Let's run the code now. Yeah, it passes the test cases. Let's submit the code now. Yes, it passes all the test cases. That's all.